Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav. I'm a physiotherapist from University of Delhi. I've done my masters in orthopedics. Today I'll be giving a demonstration of how to use the compression machines. These are called air compression machines or pneumatic pumps or lympha pumps or DVD pumps. There are many names to it. So the basic mechanism that they deploy for their therapeutic results is they use air compression therapy. They have chambers where one by one they are inflated with air. The pressure can be determined. The machine gives a pressure range from 0 to 250 mmHg. So according to different conditions, different amount of pressure can be deployed. And any chamber that needs not to be inflated, that can also be used. We use it almost on all the patient that comes to us. For the conditions that we use are lymphedema, sciatica, leg pain, swollen legs, water retention problems, varicose veins, and many others. And we also use it for our sports therapy patients who have muscle aches, leg pain, marathon runners, and these days even Virat Kohli and almost all the famous cricketers and footballers, they also use it. And we highly recommend it for all the clinicians, for all the physiotherapists, that they should use it. Among other uses across the industries, medical industries use it in the ICU as DVT pump to prevent DVT and as lympha pump. Beauty industry, salons and spas, they also use it for flushing out the toxins from the legs, for making the legs more beautiful. But yes, it is an underestimated product by the physiotherapist and by the physiotherapist community. But it is highly underestimated by the physiotherapist, but it should not be. There are a lot of indications, and we have been using it for almost all our patients in the clinic, and they highly benefit, and the feedback is very good. So let's discuss about the application and I have discussed the indications. Now let's discuss about the application. So as I have told you, we have to see what pressure we are using. For sports people, we are using around 200 mmHg. They like it, they enjoy it, and their muscles are hard, their fascia is hard, so it presses their legs very comfortably and in a good way. For marathon runners also we use a pressure of 200 mmHg. But for senior citizens, we reduce the pressure to around 150 to 200 mmHg. For like elephant CSS or swollen legs or post-oncology surgery, mastectomy, any lymph node removal, we use a pressure less than 100, ranging from 50 to 100 as lympha pump. For heart conditions also it can be used, although we don't intend to use for that purpose, but then it can be used. Other features of this machine that are important is it's got 6-chamber inflation. It's got a triangular cuff in the ankle, so the ankles are pressed very comfortably. The triangular cuff. Usually you don't find compression machines with triangular cuff, but triangular cuffs are very comfortable for the foot pressing. So the ideal way to apply it on the patient is in supine position. Usually we recommend the patient should be wearing socks, and it should not be put on the bare skin. The patient should be wearing something like any pajama and something, and then the socks should also be there, so that a good hygiene is maintained, and also it becomes more comfortable if the patient skin is not exposed in the compression therapy. So we usually use the program C in this machine. This brand is Acaway, mainly available in America, now available in India on Amazon. There is a company called Amici Care. They will be selling it on Amazon.
Also, you can see there are 2 leg cuff. You just have to slide it in, and for this you just have to turn on the machine from here. Hold on the start button. You can adjust the settings, the timing from here, that ranges from 0 to 60. So we usually use 20 to 30 minutes, and the pressure ranges from 0 to 250. So in our clinic we usually use the pressure range from 150 to 200. And you can see here the mode. There are 5 modes here, and in our clinic we usually use the mode C, where 2 chambers are filled with air, and so continuously alternately 2 chambers are filled with air. And you can see here there are 6 chambers, so in case if you don't want pressure in any part of the chambers, you can turn it from here. So this is the application.
We have been using it for almost 10 years now. Although this machine is new, but compression therapy have been in our treatments for many years, and we have done it for lakhs and lakhs of times, and every time we got a positive feedback. People feel so comfortable, their feedback is so positive, and they find a lot of relief. And yes, it saves on our energy. We don't have to press the legs, we don't have to squeeze the muscles. It is doing the job for us. So we highly recommend it for all the physiotherapy clinicians to use these type of compression machines for their patients, for the benefit of their patients. And yes, it will spare their hands also in a lot of manual work that they need to do. Plus, when it comes to knee joint, these chambers, when they inflate, there is a slight compression and distraction also that they do along the knee joint. So again, a joint mobilization effect is also there. And when they inflate, they straighten up. So if for a senior citizen the knee is a slightly flexed, but when they will inflate, they will become tight and they will become straight, forcing the joint to become straight. So again, it's a very gentle way of mobilizing the joint by the machine using the air, and there is no force spike anywhere. It's a compression garment which uniformly applies the pressure. There are no pressure points. Again, very comfortable way to mobilize the knee joint and the ankle joint. There are a few contraindications to this machine. The contraindications are open wounds, any medical pathology like cancer, TB, osteomyelitis, any medical condition including infections, fever, and very high uncontrolled BP, any diabetic ulcers. These are the common contraindications. Otherwise, a healthy individual can just use it without any thought. आती है जब फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट चाहते हैं कि मशीन तो खरीदना है, लेकिन कौन सा खरीदना है, तो डिसाइड करने में उनको इजी नहीं हो पाता है, क्योंकि मशीन 10,000 रुपीज का भी आता है और 5 लाख रुपीज का भी मशीन आता है, तो उसमें वो डिसाइड नहीं कर पाते हैं कि रियल एडवांटेज किस मशीन से मिलेगा। तो आज मैंने कोशिश किया है, क्योंकि हमारे क्लिनिक में वी हैव ओवर 10 मशीन्स ऑफ कंप्रेशन थेरेपी, और अब ऑलमोस्ट सारे मॉडल्स हमारे पास हैं, एंड वी हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर लास्ट 10 इयर्स। So I have decided to compare all the most we use, all the 3 models. Coming to the cost, this is the most basic versions, around 20 to 25,000 rupees. This brand is Unix, and coming to the next brand, it's a famous brand, Dr. Life. This is a Korean brand. Its cost is around 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. And this is the latest one. This is Akaway, mainly available in American market, not in Indian market, but now it's available. Its price range around 40,000. So let's say what is the difference and which one you should buy for your clinic. So this is a very basic machine. What are the important points while selecting a machine? What makes a difference? So I have used it on myself, and I have used it for all my patients for so many years, so I can tell you the difference. One difference is the rate of inflation. Like this chamber, when the air will be pumped, how fast the inflation will be. Like it will be 10 seconds, 6 seconds and 3 seconds. So it makes a difference. So if I press a hand like this, if it's too slow, it's not that good. It has to be like this, this and this to make it more effective. So rate of inflation in this machine is quite slow compared to this machine. This machine is even better. The rate of inflation is better. The rate of deflation is better. Then another thing is how many chambers? 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 6 doesn't matter that much. But yes, 4 is also good, 6 is also good. I don't see much of a difference. But yes, the rate of inflation and deflation matters. Plus this machine also has an advantage of it's battery operated too. You can use it on fields. These machines you can't use it on fields. So my choice is this machine. Reason being, the pressure, the range of the pressure is more. It can reach up to 250 mmHg, which is quite a lot of pressure, especially used for athletes and gymmers. So people who intend to use it for sports should buy this machine. People for homely use who are senior citizens should use this machine.